The soft hum of an electric motor fills the air as a bright pink electric tricycle RV camper glides silently through a scenic countryside road, sunlight reflecting off its glossy finish. Welcome back to Car AutoPulse. Today, we're diving into one of the most unique and eye-catching electric micro campers you'll ever see, the pink electric tricycle RV camper. It's compact, eco-friendly, and bursting with personality. This little vehicle brings together the spirit of adventure and the simplicity of sustainable travel in one charming pink package. From the outside, the pink electric tricycle RV camper instantly stands out. Its sleek, curved design and glossy pastel pink paint give it a futuristic yet playful look. The front features twin LED headlights with a halo-style glow, a short aerodynamic windshield, and chrome accents that add a touch of class. The lightweight fiberglass body keeps it efficient and easy to maneuver, while the trike setup, 2 wheels up front and 1 in the rear, offers impressive balance and stability. Along the sides, you'll notice its compact size hides surprising functionality. The camper section is integrated into the rear, with a lift-up hatch that reveals a cozy living area inside. Solar panels on the roof keep your devices charged while off-grid, and the smooth, flowing body lines make it both aerodynamic and stylish. Even parked, it turns heads. It's not just transportation, it's a statement. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a surprisingly well-designed interior that makes every inch count. The cabin is filled with soft pink and white tones, creating a clean, modern, and cozy vibe. The driver's area is simple and futuristic, featuring a minimalist digital display that shows battery life, speed, and trip data. Behind the driver's seat, the micro camper setup is both compact and clever, a small sleeping area that folds out into a bed, underfloor storage, and a foldable table for eating or working on the go. Some variants even come with built-in USB ports, a mini fridge, and LED ambient lighting, making it feel like a tiny smart home on wheels. The materials are lightweight yet durable, with recycled fabrics and eco-friendly finishes, staying true to the electric camper's sustainable mission. Performance-wise, the pink electric tricycle RV camper is designed for smooth, quiet cruising rather than speed. Powered by an efficient electric motor, it offers a top speed of around 45 to 50 miles per hour, perfect for city drives or scenic routes. The battery provides up to 90 miles of range per charge, and with its solar roof, you can extend that range when parked under the sun. Charging takes about 4 to 5 hours using a standard outlet, making it convenient for both daily use and weekend getaways. Handling feels surprisingly stable thanks to its low center of gravity and 3-wheel setup. The suspension absorbs bumps well, and the steering is light, making it easy for anyone to drive. It's quiet, smooth, and effortlessly cool, like gliding through the world with zero emissions and maximum comfort. As for pricing, the pink electric tricycle RV camper starts at around $9,000 for the base model, with premium editions reaching up to $15,000 depending on the features. It's one of the most affordable ways to own an electric micro RV, combining mobility, sustainability, and fun in one compact ride. The pink electric tricycle RV camper isn't about luxury or power, it's about freedom, creativity, and green travel. Whether you're exploring mountain roads, parking at the beach, or enjoying a quiet forest morning, this little pink electric camper makes every moment unforgettable. Closing cinematic. The pink electric trike camper parked near a lake at sunset, its interior softly glowing as the solar panels catch the last rays of sunlight,